The winning master bedroom. Are we in the winning master ensuite?
I love that green wall tile. Obviously, I
knew you
am
would.
partial to green.
Hey, do we like these bowls?
Nah. Everything aside from the bowl though, and I really am not one for fake stone.
Yeah.
That wide,
Didn't need it.
didn't need it.
No.
I really like the paneling effect on the vanity. I think that's really quite beautiful. I'm fast getting over, actually I'm well and truly over black tapware, but I'm okay with it in here.
I actually really like this black tapware.
Yeah, I'm okay with it in this space.
You've got a bath in there. I like the bath. The bath's quite
Do you know
interesting.
what? I would have thrown a door on that.
On the shower screen?
Yeah.
Which you can do after if you need it. Look, all in all, size of the bathroom's pretty good for an
Bathroom
ensuite.
size. Instant feeling when I come into here, I kind of like this space. I'm just so done with that tile.
Didn't they use that the other week?
They did,
So they're trying to
there
bring
is
it in here.
continuity, I agree, but I just don't like the tile. Love that tile, however. Tyler has done a top effort, considering the 4 different types of tiles in this space.
Yeah. Hate the bath. You like the bath?
I don't know. I don't actually like the profile of the bath. That, I'm feeling.
Yeah, I actually don't mind that over there too, to be honest.
Yeah,
I like how the toilet's hidden away.
agree.
You don't even know it's there.
I'm not sure about the
Olive tree.
olive tree styling.
I tell you what though, on a construction side of things, it's pretty good in
It's
here.
neat, isn't it?
See mine and niche, that looks way better. All in all, like you walked in and had a good feeling, I had a
Yes.
good feeling. It's a
Yeah.
nice bathroom.
I don't know, here I am, walking in through the wardrobe. Okay, so I like the floor tile. This fish scale wall tile, it brings it right down. I just feel like we've stepped into a, I don't know, Vegas 90s circa bathroom with the gloss tile on the wall. It's just, no. So I'm not a big fan of these cabinets. I just think they're very shallow, for starters. There's no storage in there. That's really minuscule storage.
You've got storage in there though.
Yeah, they have
the
made up
vanity.
for it with their drawers for sure. Is this a child's ensuite? I feel like you're serving dinner on this.
That's a bit silly, isn't it? These feel like a good size room. This is all you really need.
Yeah. I think that they've overcomplicated the space.
Yeah.
I think they really could have just had a beautiful outcome by keeping it simple. Ooh, all the curves.
I like it.
I like this, and I like the skylight, and I like the wall tile choice. That is really grand, that, you know, curving right around. And then you've got these really little tiny shaving cabinets. You've got these little tiny basins with this little tiny floating vanity.
Which way do you open it?
Breathe.
That's just gonna bang against. Yeah.
Bam.
That's gonna bang against every time.
Forever and ever. They can't open them the other way because they've got those 2 lights there. This shower is huge. And the toilet roll holder, how are you ever going to get to it?
That is annoying. Well, you're right, you walk into the room, you love the room, you see all this amazing, then you start really taking it all in and there's just problems that can't be fixed.
They're really good with colour, these guys, aren't they? This vanity, how beautiful.
This room is really nice.
Do you know, I feel really good about the size of this space.
It's really all you need, to be honest. Probably the shower screen height is a bit silly. It's tiny. The V-Luxes are bringing in that much light. Just get rid of that window,
Yeah.
bring the shower screens up,
Yeah.
and the room's fixed.
Ooh, it's a bit hot product in 2020.
I'm not a fan of them.
I love a bidet.
Well done. Pretty good room. Very good room.
Yeah, it is a good room. I will just flag though.
Yeah, flag it.
There'll be a lot of people that don't like pink tiles.
Well,
But
bad luck to
I'm
them.
happy that they've done it. I actually don't like gold tapware at all though, but I don't dislike it in this room.
Champ this week, house 5. Not too big, not too small, right size, bright, colourful.
So winner for me, Champ, house 5.
Chump this week, house 3, too dark, too small. And Chump?
Chump, I think perhaps for house 4, they may have maybe got a little bit cocky, got carried away with those beautiful architectural features and forgot about what was going on below the ceiling lines.